Introducing Winmate's Vehicle-Mounted Computers, FM and FMV series, designed for the toughest environments. Winmate's vehicle-mounted computers are rugged, high-performance devices built to endure extreme conditions, enhancing productivity, operational efficiency, and worker safety. The FM and FMV series are engineered to provide real-time data access, seamless communication, and reliable performance in harsh environments, offering exceptional functionality and durability. The FM and FMV series cater to diverse industry needs. The FM series features a removable docking system for increased portability and accessibility, while the FMV series offers an all-in-one design, intended for fixed installation via VISA or RAM mounts. These series incorporate advanced PCAP touch technology for easy operation, even with gloves. A wide power input range ensures compatibility with different vehicle types, and the FMV series includes ignition control for improved fleet management. Winmate offers VMCs with display sizes ranging from 7-inch to 14 to fit various workspaces and vehicle types. Available with Windows or Android, these devices integrate seamlessly with your platform. Powered by Intel or ARM processors, they support industrial IoT with enhanced graphics, connectivity, and real-time data management. Featuring Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G or 5G, and GPS, they ensure reliable communication and positioning in remote or challenging environments. Additionally, programmable function keys can be customized to improve productivity. Reinforced with military standard 810H and IP65 certifications, the FM and FMV series are built to endure shocks, vibrations, and high temperatures. Their IP65 rating makes them dust-proof and water-resistant, ideal for industries like agriculture, transportation, and warehouse logistics, where exposure to dust, rain, and severe weather is common. The FM series includes an IP65 rated docking station with a one-click top latch for easy device attachment and removal, streamlining transitions and enhancing efficiency. Both series are equipped with lockable I/O ports to prevent unauthorized access and ensure the integrity of critical connections in high-demand environments. These devices also feature replaceable front and rear modules, making maintenance and part replacement simple without needing to replace the entire system. The modular design provides flexibility for customization, adapting to specific customer needs and evolving technology requirements. The all-in-one feature minimizes space requirements, simplifies installation, and reduces complexity, offering an efficient solution. For selected models, an optional built-in defroster ensures the device remains operational even in freezing temperatures, making it perfect for applications in waste management, cold storage, and transportation. Winmate's VMCs provide significant benefits across various industries. In agriculture, they help track machinery performance and monitor inventory in real time. In warehouse and logistics, these devices enable seamless communication, real-time inventory management, and reduced errors, leading to faster and more accurate operations. In transportation and waste management, the rugged nature of these VMCs ensures that drivers can access route information, track shipments, and communicate with central systems without worrying about device failure in demanding environments. In terminal yards, these VMCs streamline container tracking, asset management, and fleet operations. Winmate's FM and FMV series vehicle-mounted computers are powerful, reliable, and designed to thrive in tough environments. Whether you're managing a fleet, operating a warehouse, or working in agriculture, these devices provide the durability, performance, and flexibility required to enhance productivity and operational efficiency. Winmate VMCs are the ideal solution for industries that rely on rugged, dependable technology. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to contact us. Winmate is here to help.